Hi family, welcome back. So I have something very special. Yes, I bet you watch this video to the end and see how I prepare this special delicacy. This is a yam porridge I want to have at. Okay, to prepare this I have some Titus fish seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic and ginger paste. I'll boil it or steam it rather, grill, and now keep it aside. Now go ahead with some little tomato paste just to give it some color. Yeah, I fried dry and also kept it aside, and I also went ahead and cut my yam into tiny pieces, very tiny pieces. Okay, now this is my fish stock. Is inside this fish stock that I'm going to be transferring the yam I've already cut, sliced, washed, and also add more water. That will be enough for my porridge. Yeah, after that I transfer the tomato paste that I already fried, add some fresh pepper, and then add some onions, and I give it a stir for everything to mix together. And now I cover the pot and start cooking. All right, so at this point it is cooking already. It has started boiling. Go ahead with some curry powder, some turmeric powder, and I stir, 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 stir. As always, I like to stir my porridge so that it will help the water to come together. Yes. So now I just added some shallots and my mixed spicy. That is the fenugreek powder and fenugreek powder. Added some salt to taste, and I stir, 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 stir. Cover it. Now it is already beginning to thicken, and the yam is already soft. I went ahead and added some crayfish, added my veggies, the carrots. Stir, stir. Yes, I love to stir porridge. See, the water is already thickening. Yeah. Now this is green bell pepper and some spring onions. Oh my god, Jesus, you need to try this recipe. You will come back and thank me on this video. You drop your comments, guys. So now I've almost turned off the heat. I just is very low. The heat is very low now. I don't need to cook the veggies for so long because I want it to be fresh. And now our food is ready. Our food is ready. So yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and share. Please don't forget to follow my page.